All of you will try the third main second one. For board exam, you'll get these type of question where you have to solve with students. 4x plus 6 divided by x plus 13 is equal to 0. Yes. How do you all solve this? Take LCM. X, if you multiply into x, what are we getting? 4x square. Only this question is different. Apart from that, everything is same. Then we'll solve the 6th and 7th. This exercise will get done. Plus 6 plus, what do you get here? 13, 0. So we don't need denominator, shift it to the other side. 4x square and rearrange this. 4x square first. After that, 13x plus 6. 0 into x is what? 0. So what is a value, students? A is 4. Look at the screen. Stop writing. B is equal to 30. C is equal to 6. Use the formula method. All of you will use formula. Be quick. There's still homework question. Do you have school tomorrow? Till 1 o'clock? Till 10 o'clock. Independence Day. Completed? All of you done? Shall I discuss? Yeah, be quick students, you have to complete it today. Okay. X is equals to minus, I'll write the direct value, minus 13 plus minus square root of 13 square. B square minus 4 into A into C divided by 2 into 4. Are these the value you have written? Minus 13 plus minus square root of 169 minus, what did you all get here? What is 169 minus 96? 73. Okay. In tables we have less than 100. So 73 is fine. What's the answer, students, for 73? Look at 73. 8.544. Yes, 8.544. That's it. This is how we get rounded off to 2 decimal. Yesterday I taught you all 2 decimal. Let me write it separately. X is equal to minus 13 plus. What's the final answer? What did you all get? Okay, minus 13 plus 8. What is minus 13 plus 8? Minus 5 point? How come 4.456? Okay, 13, right? 13 minus 5. 13 minus 8.534. 4.456. And it should be minus, students. 4.456. What about this one? Minus into minus is plus. 18 plus 13 is. And yesterday I taught you all how to reduce. Divide it. Okay, let me do it. There is 4.44. Remove the decimal. Just write 4456. 8 5s of 40. 4 7s of 56. All of you all got 557. How many decimal numbers are there? How many decimal numbers? 3. So place back 3 decimal numbers. So minus, what's the answer? 0. Okay, but we don't need minus 0.55. You have to round it off to how many decimal places? 2. Only for this I'll show the calculation. Other one you'll have to complete. If you want to round it off to 2, look at the third one. It is more than 7. So the previous number should get increased by 1. This is one value, and okay, let me do the other one. 21,544. Remove the decimal, write 21. Did you all get 2693? How many decimal numbers are there, students? 3 decimal minus 2.693. Convert into 2. Look at the last number. 3 is less than 5, right? So the number doesn't change. Minus 2.69. All of you got this? Fine. So I'll tell you. Definitely you'll get for board exam students from for the past 3-4 years they're just repeating this long division. I mean, or not long division. What do you call formula method? Okay. So only this part is time consuming. Other things are easy. You'll know how to solve. Only this part is time consuming. So you'll have to be quick in division. Remove the decimal, divide it, solve. Just quickly go through. Whoever hasn't done, go through this. Is Deborah online? Dia, Deborah, why did you all rejoin? They're online. Dia, your mom told you won't be attending. Okay. What about yesterday's homework? You told your mom that you have sent. Tell me, Dia. Respond. Why you're not responding? Yesterday, even day before yesterday, you didn't send. Okay. Shall we do the next one? All of you completed. So practice the division part, students. Practice division. See, if you want, you can practice. You can solve the fourth main. Okay. Just don't spend too much of time on this. It's an easy concept. Fourth, fifth, just ignore. Sixth question. Look at the sixth one. I'll just solve long division. I mean division. You can try it. How does the first formula look like? A plus b the whole square or a minus? Okay, x square, a square plus b square. 1 square is 1 minus 2 into a into b. X square plus 1 plus 4. How much is plus 1 plus 4? Plus 5. What about minus into minus? Plus 2 plus 3 is 5x. 3 is greater minus 5. Clear? Make a note, complete it later. Fine. Next week I'll be starting new chapter. No, there's one more exercise left in this, right? Okay, so I think that would take, I need 2 hours, students. So what shall I do tomorrow? Shall I conduct class or on Sunday? When shall I conduct? Both the days? Independence Day. Don't need holiday? It's fine. Okay. So till your exam gets over, no Independence Day. Every day you'll have to struggle. No, no, that's what. If I take tomorrow, Sunday I won't conduct. See, the thing is, I have to take class, and even test is also pending, students. Last week I didn't conduct, and your assignments are there. Mainly, I want you all to concentrate on your assignment. What about the due date? Did they extend or is it on Monday? Monday? Okay. So make sure you submit, students. See, last year, that Anima teacher, right? Last year, I remember one or two students submitted late and she had reduced 2 marks, I think, 2 or 3 marks. Okay, so don't take chance. Definitely, she'll reduce marks. Teacher is strict. So try to submit on Monday. Fine, I'll conduct class tomorrow so that we can complete that next exercise. Okay, try this. And if you want, you send it, or just if your answer is correct, just ignore, students. Use formula method. Look at the seventh one. Remember in the first exercise I told you, if the word solution is given, what you have to do? Substitute. Correct. And usually in quadratic, x will have how many answers? X should have two values. Already one value they've given. What is one value? X is equal to 3. So we'll do one thing. Look at, don't write. Look at the screen. K into 2, x square is given. Substitute the value. Z or 2. What is 3 square? Write it directly here. 3k plus 6. See, this part is just like this, students. Okay, both are same. So if you open the bracket, 9 into k is 9k, 3k plus 6 is equal to 0. That's it. Find the value of k. That will give you the other answer. 9 minus 3 is 6k. Actually, this MCQ question. Seventh one has nothing to do with division. It's MCQ one. So if it's 10 by before 12 o'clock, will you all reach home? All of you tomorrow? 12? See, I want to complete it early, students, so that you can complete your assignment and study other subjects. Shall I conduct at 12, 12 to 2? Okay, attend at 12. So even those who can't attend, okay, if you have other class or not able to reach home or any other emergency situation, go through the recording, student. You either attend live class or if you are missing, go through the recording. And if you are missing both, you'll have to struggle because tomorrow I'll be teaching the new concept, the last exercise. What's the answer? A is equal to minus 4. Okay. And tomorrow we'll start at 12. First half an hour or 40 minutes, we'll do reflection revision. Do you all remember reflection? Graph question? Oh, you all revise that, students. Today you'll revise at least for just spend 10-15 minutes on basic concept. I'll make you all revise it tomorrow. All of you all done? Completed? No, no. Again, you put k value. Anyways, you're getting 0. Arti. What is the question asked here? The other root is how much? -4. Root solution meaning is same, students. You need two values. One value is 3, which is already given. Other value is -4. See, Arti, for example, if you put -4 here, what do you get? 6 into -4 plus 24 is equal to 0. 6 into -24. -24 plus 24. You're still getting 0 is equal to 0, right? So don't need to substitute. This is the answer. X is equal to -4 plus 4. Kia done? Just check after this, student. Was there any other question or was this the last? Seventh one. This question, seventh one. -1. Okay, fine. So what was k value we got? Minus. Okay, yes, students. So we need to find the other root, x value. Yes, we need to find x. Only k is, we found k value. So let us substitute here. So -4 is not the answer, right? What is k value, students? K value is, what did we get? -4. Now let me take this -4 plus 2 into x square minus kx plus 6. How come? Did ma'am solve it again? Yeah, we don't have -1. Can you check the answer in textbook? -1. Okay. Fine. There is no -1 here. Okay, we'll solve this, students. No problem. See, x is equal to 3 is a solution. X value, one value is given. Second value is not given. Okay. Find the other root. But here I thought k value. We need to find k. It's not k. We need to find other x value. So we'll just substitute k value. -4 plus 2x square. And where is another k? Look here. -4 here. See, I've substituted. In place of k, I've written -4 plus 2 x square minus as it is in bracket -4 x plus 6. So if you solve -4 plus 2k, what do you all get? -2x square minus into minus is plus 4x plus 6. The first value shouldn't be negative. How do you make it positive? Yes, minus common or just ignore minus. Change everything. See if you take minus. Yeah, even 2 is also common, right? So take minus 2 as common, students. See, 2 is also common for all three. So if I take minus 2, what are we getting? X square plus becomes minus 2x 3. Anyways, this minus 2 is getting divided. So you'll have x square minus 2x minus 3. And here, have they told us to find any decimal? No, right? Better use factorization, students. Sum and product. Minus 2x minus 3x square. Okay, 1 into 3 combination. Minus 3x. What should I put before 1? So that I get minus 2. Plus, all of you will respond. Plus 1x, right? You'll remember sum and product or forgot? Oh, complete it. You all complete it. See, definitely you'll get x as 3. Along with that, you'll get another value. See, definitely you'll get x as 3. Complete it. Sorry, so what I did first was wrong. This is the right way, student, because they didn't ask us to find k. Okay, they asked us to find x value, not k value. And mark this question as important. Okay, if they ask you to find k, the answer was minus 4. But they didn't ask us k, they asked us other roots. Okay, complete it. All of you will complete it. Okay. 'Yes, Amy. Where's your textbook, Amy? You don't have textbook. What are those two exercises? Which one? No, no. E is miscellaneous or what problem? Okay. See, the fourth one is not that important. Third one is important. Next exercise. And we'll start tomorrow. 10 at 12. We'll start that tomorrow. X plus 1 minus 5e. So which exercise is this? B or C? Okay, this is C. That's what I told you, right? Second, next exercise is important. 5e is not that important. So that's the reason they would have cancelled it. This entire chapter is only for 4 marks students. For board exam, it is only for 4 marks. And that 4 marks you get only based on this, whatever I did in this exercise. All of you will complete it? Done? Shall we do the next one? See, I'll teach all everything according to textbook, no issues, but look here. Just for your reference, if you go as per your school students, they just make you all solve everything. But you see the board exam question. Okay. Reflection, graph reflection. Can you see this graph question? This was your board exam. Section B, prelims question. Okay, for example, 2025. In 2025, okay, those who remember reflection question, this is 2025 board paper student. I'll show you both 25 and 26. Can you see the reflection question? Left hand 2 centimeter. Can you see you have to plot reflection ABC and you have to reflect AB on x-axis and name their ED. This is how simple question. Look how simple this is. Okay, so in textbook, it's good thing you'll practice all tough question, but in exam you don't have to worry about it. You get only simple questions like this. Okay. We'll do this tomorrow. Reflection and let me see quadratic. See, this was 2025 shares and dividend. All of you, can you answer this? A man bought how many shares? Rupees 200, which is what is nominal value, students? 200. Whenever percentage is given, I mean, shares, 25% premium. No. 25% premium is given. So market value will be what? This premium you have to convert 25 divided by 100 into 200, not 25. 25% is 50. So premium meaning is you have to add 200 plus 50 is 250. If he receives, whenever return is given, what is it? Rate of return percent. See, already we got market value. We need to find dividend and we need to find number of shares if annual dividend is given. Annual dividend is already given. Okay. If we receive rate of return, this is how you get. Nothing complicated. They'll give you simple questions. Only thing is how quickly you'll do it, students. All this is not time consuming. Right? So you get these type of question. See, if you just calculate market value, you'll get 1 mark. Dividend percentage. Okay. For dividend percentage, you have to think which formula how to solve this. Yeah, we use dividend formula, but for dividend formula, dividend percentage should be given, right? We receives 5%. So here we use rate of return, students. Rate of, just ignore this. We'll do it later. First, we'll complete that quadratic. the first term of the question. You'll see quadratic question here. Just a minute. Yes. Can you see the quadratic, students? So what did I tell? 4 marks. In 2025 it is, we'll check, I didn't find. If you just check 2024, 23, 25, they just repeated the same similar question. Look at this. X minus 2 the whole square minus. Just now we did this question, right? And I gave you all for homework. How do you solve this? A square, I mean not the exact, similar to this. Use a minus b the whole square. All of you will respond. Plus 4 minus. So what have they asked your students? Correct to how many significant digits? Correct to 3 decimal. So which method we use? Factorization or formula method? Isn't it formula? Or complete it. A square minus b square. What is 4 minus 3? Plus 1. Minus into minus is plus. You get 9x. A is equal to 1. B is equal to minus 9. C is equal to 1. So this is the only question you'll have. And for the first exercise, we almost spent 1 hour. In 2026 or 25, there was not even a single question. Is this clear? All of you understood? Okay. Try this for homework, students. Homework, make a note, correct to 3 significant digits. 3 digits. I'll write 3 decimals here. For example, if you want to have 3 decimal place, your answer should be like this. How many numbers you should have? 4 numbers, right? 4. Look at the 4th number, based on that you convert. It should be like this. So if you want to convert 3 significant digits, you should have 4 values in your calculation. Make use of the mathematical table. Okay, make use of that. Complete this for homework. It's left. Okay, another 10 minutes. I'll just quickly explain. We'll revise that reflection. 10 minutes I'll teach you reflection, revision. Completed. I will made a note of this. A1, B minus 9 and C1. Okay, this is your homework question. Clear? Now, along with that, one reflection, students. I'll give one reflection question. So be quick. X-axis, Y-axis. XOX, this is Y, O, Y dash. X, O, X dash. We have four quadrants here. In first quadrant, both are positive, right? What about second quadrant, students? In second quadrant, I- yes, I told you all right. Minus M comes first. Minus plus. In third quadrant, both are minus. In fourth quadrant, plus minus. Mostly for MCQ, you'll have one or two questions, right? Sorry, minus and plus minus. Then, apart from this, other things are same, students. If they tell you, what is the rule I told? What are the rules we studied? You forgot? I told you two things. Reflection and x-axis. Which one will be 0? Y will be 0. If y is 0, which value will change? Y value will change. So if they tell reflection x-axis, y is 0, y value will change. X will remain as it is, y will change. For example, if it is 5 and 6, if the reflection in x-axis is given, what's the answer, students? It will be 5, comma, very minus 6. If I tell reflection in y-axis, see, you'll have to go through the notes. Definitely, I think many students would have forgotten all this concept. Reflection in y-axis, x is 0. So this 5 comma 6 will become 6. Only these two rules. We have only these two rules along with that this and origin. Whenever there is reflection in the origin, both the values will change, right? If it is 5 comma 6, if this point is reflected in origin, your answer will be minus 5 comma minus 6. So hardly 4 or 5 rules. Reflection is not tough. It's a very easy concept. In board exam, you get it for 5 marks. See, I'll show you the reflection question. Try this for homework. This was given this year, 2026. See, if you've forgotten, no problem. Just try this. I'll explain tomorrow. Can you all see this fourth question, all of you? How many minutes left? Okay, 5 minutes. I'll just quickly explain without the graph, students. For homework, you'll do it with the graph. I'll send this question later. Okay. Can you all see this, all of you? How many marks they have given this for? 4. Even in 2005, 25, they've given it for 4. Every year, they're repeating similar question for 4 marks. Look here. Use the graphical sheet. Okay, along x-axis and y-axis. What's the maximum value we have, students? Look at their points. What's the maximum value we have? 5. So forget about, look here. You don't even have to remember this. Forget about that. If it is 5, what are the values you take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is just for if usually they mention it, Amy. Okay. Usually they mention. Anyhow, it's correct, right? 2 centimeter is 1 unit. 3 minus 4 minus 5. Okay, Amy, what if they give 7 or 8, if the highest value is 7 or 8, do we take 1, 2, 3 or 2, 4, 6, 8? 2, 4, 6, 8. Then do you think this 2 centimeter is correct? No, it should be 2 centimeter is equal to. So based on that, you'll have to do it, students. Okay. For now, just ignore. And the reason they give unit is you have to write it on the graph sheet. So for now, just ignore that. Make a note of this. This is y dash. And one more important point is, if you don't mention this x dash, x, y dash, they'll definitely reduce 1 mark. Keep that in mind. Even if your entire answer is correct, if you don't write y, y dash, what's the time? Okay, they'll reduce 1 mark. So make a note of this. Write o, y dash, x and x dash. Graphical represent parallelogram OABC where O is O00. Then plot the line, students. Plot the points. 2, 3. 2 and 3 lies here. This is A. 5, 3. This is B. 3, 0. Can you see this ABC? Did we get the parallelogram? All of you will respond. Did we get parallelogram? For this you get. I'll send this question. For this you get 1 mark. Reflect OBAC on x-axis. What do you mean by x-axis? Where is the mirror? Mirror is on x-axis. So your image will be somewhat like this. Okay, name it as ODEC. Fine. Then through the origin, name its image. Through origin, how will it reflect? Everything will become negative. Then through y-axis. If it is y-axis, mirror should be on y-axis. Will you all complete it for homework, all of you all? Okay. Anyhow, the class will end now. Attend at 12 o'clock tomorrow, students. I'll send it. Will you all try these two questions for homework?